Yeah, there we go. I mean, this is like food cart manufacturing facility here. We got various stages of completion. We got one here just getting closer to done. Another one here, we just got siding on. This one's kind of set up to look like a treasure chest. So that's, we got our artisans working on this, although the axle situation is kind of in the wrong spot. So here's another one that's being set up for, this one's up and coming. This Wells cargo trailer is going to be a real deluxe one. And of course our power source over here, this serves as our electricity, which is the solar power station. I'm going to shut that down for the day. All the construction here is done off-grid. So we do all the construction off-grid, and we got 6 food carts in progress right now. We got a mess to clean up. Or no, 5 in progress. And one's already finished and out of here. So this is part of the post-apocalyptic business, economic recovery business stuff. We're building and operating them with our master food cart operator, Saeed. And all this work in progress.